Hi everybody. I have a problem with my car stereo. Put it on, sometimes the screen does not come up. The disc is stuck. So what do I do now? I think the only thing left for me is to change the car stereo to maybe I have one here. I have an Android player here, but the problem I'm having with this one is that if I were to install it here right now, there will be gaps on the side because it's not a perfect fit. There will be gaps on the side because it's not the same as it's not as big as what I have here. It's smaller than it, so there will be spaces, there will be gaps by the side, and I don't want that. So the only option for me is to get a frame, to make a frame, to frame it up by the side, so that it will fit. It will be a perfect fit like this. So what do I do? How do I get a frame? Go online and buy one, or go to the parts shop to buy one. But luckily for me, I have a 3D printer just sitting there. So what do I do? Let me get to work to make a design of the frame and let's see how it works out. I'm going to remove this cover to size up the original size of the frame for this existing radio. So I'll use the dimension to create whatever frame I'm going to use for this new one. So I have my digital calipers here. So I'm going to measure the length and the breadth of this existing one here. Since of course this one already fits, so I'll use the dimensions of this existing radio here to make the frame for this. Yeah, after taking dimensions of the old radio and the new one, I was able to come up with this as the measurement for the frame. So all is now left is to flesh it out and see the depth is 10 mm. So this is the final result. So I have this. So let's convert this to an STL file and go on from there. So all we have to do now is to import the STL file into our Ultimaker Cura and see. Let me take it to lay it down flat, and it's going to take 36 minutes to print. So transfer this to my SD card. We'll give it 40% infill. I'll leave it at 40% infill, and let's print. So as you can see, I'll let my left side while the X1 get to work. So in less than 40-45 minutes we'll be done, and we can take the frame and go and put it on the car stereo. Yeah, as you can see, the printer is done now. So, and a word of note, I used a PETG material. So you need something that can withstand the heat in the car. So what's left now is to remove it from the bed and extract it. Extract from there, and there it goes. So looking at the print, it's flawless, superb. You can see, I'm trying to get it to focus. Superb. All the layer lines are in the right place. And let's put it to a test. So what's left now is let's test the frame with the face, with the car stereo, and let's see if it fits. Place it this way, and excellent. It's perfect fit. It fits it perfectly. So all we need to do now is take it to the car and let's install. See how far it goes. And as you can see, the harness have been adapted. So what's left now is for us to install the radio. The frame is looking good. So what's left now is for me to install the radio, and let's see how it goes. Yeah, finally the installation is done, and you can see the frame as it makes everything look beautiful. That's what practical 3D printing can do for you. That's all for now. Thank you. God bless.